We are in Paultons Park. It's a little bit chaotic, the turnstiles were having some problems, but we're in. Your first time here, my first time here. I'm very excited. This park has been on my bucket list for a long, long time. And we're heading straight to Valgard. Look at the landscape, and it's beautiful. Here we are. The pre-queuing to enter Valgard begins. It's getting busy. Where are we going?
Before the tribe, there was only the land and those who dared to claim it. Welcome to our kingdom.
Look at this. Oh, they've really pushed the boat out for this.
It's very big budget.
It is. The landscaping looks so good as well. There's the beautiful entrance sign for Drakon. Look at that. It looks so good. The views across the area. Queue goes all the way back there. Crazy. The theming's so good. Wow. Got a little walk-in pre-show telling you how to board the ride as well. It's very loud in here, so I don't know how much of this you'll be able to hear, but it's really cool to see things like this, just to get people on the trains quicker, and there's some queue line entertainment as well. Station looks so cool. It smells like apples as well, because there's apples down there. Let's go. Oh, this is cool. Oh, look at the big dragon! Oh, it's adorable. Here we go, there's the sheep down there. Look at the sheep going. Oh, that's so cool. Here we go. Woo! Whoa! Oh, really smooth. Whoa! Whee! That was amazing. There it goes. Look at that. Oh, that was a fantastic ride. I absolutely love that. So impressed. We just did Drakon for the first time. What did you think? I loved it.
I thought it was good. I mean, I was on the outside and I thought
a little bit rough.
Not bad, but
I thought inside it was perfectly smooth. I absolutely loved it, but it's just such an amazing area. Just looking at all the theming.
the theming is fantastic.
Watching the ride go around, like, there's nothing else like this in the UK. It's easily the best themed area. We've only been in it, what, like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Very excited to explore around, but now I'm gonna go on Raven, the other coaster in this area. Very excited for this as well. Here we go. Entering Raven's queue line. Look, it's me. It's the bird. It's a corvus. The landscaping is just like next level. It looks so good. Look at the little ravens. It's so cute. Hey, we're kind of dueling with Drakon. Wow, this themed area is huge. See some yellow track off there in the distance. Oh, it's going to be a cool view. Here we go. Woo! That's my first ride there on Raven. That was fantastic, really fun. The best part about that is certainly the interaction between that and Drakon. You can see there, we got that pretty well timed where the two coasters are interacting, which looks so cool. But I have to say, this themed area is looking absolutely immaculate. I'm so impressed. Like, the level and the quality of the theming is just insane, and it looks so cool. You can see the two coasters going around there. It's just beautiful watching it all happen. Oh, look at all this. Just so many nice, like, theming elements absolutely everywhere. I love that sign. That sign is insane for Raven. I'm going to take a very quick look in the feasting hall just in case we don't get a chance to eat in here later, because I do expect it to get very busy. But this looks like probably one of the best theme park restaurants in, I was going to say the UK, but in Europe, like theming wise. Look at this. Even the flooring's themed. Like, everything just looks immaculate. It's so cool in here. Like, the scale of it as well is absolutely insane. It's got the Viking longboat in the middle. Lots of people sat in there, as you'd expect. But yeah, this just looks brilliant. Heard the menus are really good as well. They do have complete gluten-free options, which is awesome. Yeah, this just looks mad. And then out here you have the construction site of the new ride for next year, which I think they're going to reveal tonight at the Superfans event. You can see some yellow track over there. Yeah, look at that. You've got this huge seating area at the back of the restaurant, which will look over the new ride as well. And then all of this, even more theming around here. There's just theming everywhere. It's crazy. Oh, this park is just so cool so far. Can't believe I've never come before. I'm so happy to be here. Just look at the quality of this themed area. It looks fantastic. See World Swing going there? I think will be our next ride. That looks really fun. I have been on one of these. I went on the one at Tripstrill, which I thought was absolutely amazing. I actually prefer them to top spins. They're really fun. And then there is the beautiful Drakon entrance sign. I absolutely love that. Such a cool sign for an amazing coaster. You've got the sheep powering the lift hill. That's so cool. The details are incredible on this coaster. The quality of the new theme is very impressive, and all the landscaping looks fantastic as well. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, these are so fun.
We got the other way now.
So that is the end of my first preview of Valgard at Paultons Park. This was my first ever time at the park and I absolutely loved it. And coming soon there will be a full vlog from my first ever day at the park, where I get to go on all the other main rides and attractions and just have an amazing time. It was a fantastic day and I easily think Valgard is the best themed area in the UK. Paultons have done an incredible job. So I will see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching, goodbye.